Welcome back to the John A. Smith Charities Library. Today we're going to show you how to use Oxford Music Online. First, we want to go to Library Resources, and then we want to click on Research Databases. We're going to open up that link. We're now on the Research Databases page. We're going to scroll down until we find Oxford Music Online. Once we have found it, we're going to click on that plus sign, and then we're going to click the link that says Start Now. So welcome to Oxford Music Online, which is the authoritative resource for music research with over 52,000 articles written by nearly 9,000 scholars, charting the diverse history of cultures of music around the globe. So when you're using this at home, we will provide you login information, but when you're in the library, you will always be automatically signed in. You may search on Oxford Music Online in a variety of ways: by topic. You may search by instrument. You may search by era, region, place type, occupation, and you may also conduct an advanced search. Today we're going to conduct an advanced search, and we're going to be looking up jazz. Alright, so we're going to search. And when our queries return, we have all of this information on jazz. We have concert jazz, soul jazz, southwest jazz. Many different articles have returned for us. But we want to kind of narrow down our results a little bit more. So we will go in and we want to ensure that we're clicking on article. And it tells you the number of articles, over 7,000. And we're going to update. And we have those updated articles, and then we also want to update by type and subject reference, which is referencing jazz. And so as we're scrolling through, we're looking at different articles, and so we've decided that we're interested in this article by Mark Rice on Southwest Jazz. So we're going to click that link there. And there you have the article. And it always provides a bibliography at the bottom. Now, if you decide that this is the article that you want to use, you may save it and use it in a variety of ways. You may save it as a PDF. You may decide to save it to a flash drive for later use. Of course, it always will cite it for you, and it will cite in APA, MLA, or Chicago formats, and you can download that. You can email it to yourself or to someone else. And of course, you always have the option of sharing out that article via social media platforms. So there you have it. This is Oxford Music Online, a fantastic resource. And as always, we hope you use it, and happy searching.